The 2007-2016 GMC Acadia uses a transponder key system linked to the vehicle's immobilizer for security. Programming a new key involves pairing its embedded chip with the car's ignition and body control module. You'll need a blank transponder key compatible with your Acadia's year. GM part numbers like 1359428 for 2007 to 2010 or 1359429 for 2011-2016. This DIY process is common for replacing lost keys, but precision is crucial to prevent triggering anti-theft modes. Modern OBD2 scanners can simplify the process. But ensure compatibility with older GM systems. The system is based on GM's passkey 3. The transponder key has a microchip that communicates with the vehicle. Ignition chip pairing teaches the vehicle to recognize the new key. If programming fails, the vehicle enters anti-theft mode. Here's a basic DIY approach for programming a transponder key on a 2007-2016 GMC Acadia. First, get a correctly cut blank transponder key that matches your vehicle's ignition. Second, insert a working key and turn the ignition to on position without cranking for 10 minutes to discharge the BCM capacitors. Third, insert the new key and rapidly cycle the ignition on and off about 10 times within 5 seconds to enter programming mode. Fourth, test the key by starting the vehicle. If it fails, repeat the process or use an OBD2 tool for diagnostics. Important trends include the rise of DIY communities offering tutorials and affordable aftermarket tools for chip cloning. Be aware of potential risks like triggering anti-theft lockouts or, although less common, damaging the BCM. If you lack a working key, professional cloning by a locksmith is generally necessary. Older vehicles may transition to smartphone-based digital keys at some point. Always verify the steps for your model year.